Deborah Gartenstein with Quirky Gourmet. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cabbage and carrot balsamic salad. Now this is a nice sweet salad, but naturally sweet, not cloyingly sweet, because you have the sweetness from the carrots and the sweetness from the balsamic vinegar, and it all comes together really nicely. So I'm going to start off with some shredded green cabbage. And I'm going to add about an equal amount of shredded carrot. And then just a tiny bit of shredded red cabbage, just for color highlight. I'm going to dress this very simply because I want the balsamic vinegar to be the star. So there's the balsamic vinegar. The olive oil, which goes beautifully with balsamic vinegar, and then just a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. Now this is going to be pretty tasty right away. It's going to be extremely tasty after about 20 minutes, just once the flavors can really soak in there. And there you have a cabbage and carrot balsamic salad.